The Olivet Discourse continues, Matthew 24:7. For nation shall rise against nation. Mark 13:8. For nation shall rise against nation. The same. Luke 21:10. Then said he to them, nation shall rise against nation. So I'll add from Luke. Then said he to them. Matthew and Mark both have 4. Nation shall rise against nation. Okay, yeah, all 3 is the same. Luke, and kingdom against kingdom. And kingdom against kingdom. And kingdom against kingdom. Matthew, and there shall be famines. Mark, and there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines. Luke, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines. So Luke is earthquakes, famines, pestilences, fearful sights, great signs. Mark, earthquakes, famines, troubles, fewer than Luke. Matthew, famines, pestilences, earthquakes. So all 3 of them have the word and. Mark and Luke, there, all 3 shall be. Only Matthew starts with famines. Mark and Luke both start with earthquakes, so I'll go with that. And Luke goes even further and explains it as great earthquakes. The word earthquakes is in all 3 though. Matthew has in diverse places, Mark in diverse places, Luke shall be in diverse places, but I already used the shall be earlier like Matthew and Mark, so I'll just go with in diverse places, still from all 3. I could just jump right back to the beginning in Matthew, go with famines and pestilences. Which actually I will do because Mark also has famines in that direct order. And Luke has famines and pestilences in that direct order. Both of them right after earthquakes. So all 3 and famines and pestilences. Mark has troubles, not pestilences, so I'll still go with pestilences because Matthew and Luke have them next. But then I'm going to have to save the and from Mark. That way I can put it after pestilences. Troubles. So that's the end in Mark. That's the end of Matthew. Luke has more famines and pestilences and fearful sights. So all the rest is just Luke and fearful sights. And great signs shall there be in heaven. And that is the entire list from all 3. Matthew continues, all these are the beginning of sorrows. Mark continues, these are the beginnings, plural, of sorrows. Luke, but before all these they shall lay their hands on you and persecute you, delivering you up to synagogues and into prisons, being brought before kings and rulers for my name's sake. It doesn't say anything about the beginnings of sorrows. Mark does have that right after the beginnings of sorrows. Take heed for yourselves, they shall deliver you up to councils, and in the synagogues shall be beaten, brought before rulers and kings for a testimony against them. Matthew, they shall deliver you up to be afflicted and shall kill you, and you shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake, they shall be offended. Okay, so I'm just going to put Matthew and Mark first. These are the beginnings of sorrows. Matthew has all these are the beginning. Mark is just these are, so actually it's just Matthew first, all. Now both. These are is in italics for both. The beginning or the beginnings. I thought both beginnings. I think that's a problem, but I'll have to say that's only Mark. And then both of sorrows.